Umama ka-Anovuyo Onke uthi indodakazi yakhe iyaphuma iyodlala nabangani bayo kepha ayiphindanga yatholakala.
Went out all of us to my friend's house and then she came. She says she's hungry, then the father go to water, she must go and then she go eat. Then she bring the kids and then she's gonna go play and then that's the time we noticed that the Sunday we noticed that she's gone.
Umndeni uthi akulaleki selokhu indodakazi yawo yanyamalala einyangeni ezimbili ezedlule.
Lo mthathele umntana wami ngiyacela noba mhlambi unenzondo nami okanye nathi sobabini kabuyise nje okwaNovuyo abuye ephila sisi nasi isicelo sami qha noba ngubani noba uphi nje kabuyise nje umntana wami nanto endiyicelayo kubuhlungu kakhulu ngakumbi kuthina abazali mna nomama mntana abanye abantu masithatha mhlawumbi ngathi asikhathale okanye akuthini la but abayazi indlela esisivela ngayo thina ngaphakathi.
Umndeni uthi unethemba lokuthi uAnovuyo usaphila.
Kude kudlule 2 months engakafumaneki nangoku but kuyo yonke loo nto leyo thina akho trace yakhe akho nto echolweyo yakhe into efana ihlangu kanye kuchole umzimba kuloo ndawo lele kuyo. Even i-detective ezibhizi ngale case ngabona abantu basikhuthazayo abasikhathaleleyo isikakhulu singatsho.
Amaphoyisa asaphenya ngokunyamalala kuka-Anovuyo Onke.